Good snowy morning to you. Man, wasn't that storm rough that we had the end of January and that cold snap? Ooh, it's freezing. Anyway, my name is LouAnn and welcome to my kitchen. That coffee is brewing and you know there's some sweet iced tea somewhere. So this month, I know today's Saturday, so that means bread. I'm gonna share with you some bread recipe. Usually, in all the months when I have a featured cookbook, which we're doing monthly feature cookbooks, and the theme this month is sweethearts and casseroles. Excuse me. So, with the theme of sweethearts and casseroles, I am going through featured cookbook. This is the featured cookbook. There is no bread recipe in there. None. There's where you can make sloppy joe, biscuit covered sloppy joes, and a few other things that have biscuits that require biscuits. So it really doesn't tell you how to make the biscuit. It uses a mix. So with that being said, we are going to continue all the bread recipes for this month will be out of the Bread Machine Magic, and we are in the vegetables. So, the first recipe is broccoli cheese bread. Yeah, that's what you said. That's what I said. Broccoli cheese bread, and it is made in the Bread Machine. So let's turn the camera around and let me show you how to make broccoli cheese bread. So the first ingredient is a package of broccoli and cheese sauce, but we got to cook this as a package direct. But I do have a little bit of problem with this. A little bit. It's going to be cooked in the microwave, just so you know. Look at there. It's a product of Mexico. When do we not grow broccoli in our country? Just a question. So let's finish on with the recipe. I'm going to go ahead and cook it like the package directs, and then I'll be back for the next step. So now that we've cooked our broccoli, it says to dump the broccoli into a food processor or a blender, one or the other. Just in case you ain't got a food processor, hold on. The reason it says to put it in a food processor or a blender is we got to chop all that broccoli up. It's too big for our bread machine for broccoli cheese bread. Now that our broccoli is all chopped up, now we need to let it cool down to room temperature before we put it in our bread machine and all the other ingredients. So now that the broccoli has cooled down to room temperature, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. 1 egg, 2 cups of bread flour, okay, there's our 2 cups, a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of minced onion. Yep, minced onion. I decided to do red onion. Then we're going to add a teaspoon and a half of yeast and 1 tablespoon of butter. And if it looks too dry, I will probably be adding a little bit of milk to this. It does say in the recipe if you're using a certain kind of machine, you can add a little bit more milk. I think it's a tablespoon or something like that. So there it is, and we're going to turn it on, and 3 hours later we're going to have some broccoli cheese bread.